Abusiamamu akwa babio edenso dafoforo wobra wode hweme efre Ghana kurkasiem enkra ne monten so. Abusia mame enchia Ghana Sumbi WhatsApp group and a People of Heaven WhatsApp group. Na menhye obi biara na onka obi biara ho. Meeting Elisha Malopina enkomo mienu pe bi ere wo fia me pese ye kasa efa ho. Nti mpacho Womodi ansa wo hwe program ya obes subscribe amame na wa share. Na menhye obi biara wo follow me. Maminchi a Madam Patricia wo Germany Hamburg wo tetema wo free tema ana Benita Madam Benita ono so wo Accra Kaswa bra me kwa woyehia mo so support me pa Gladys mama na mechia darling search so ono ne kuno Aroman our police ni or police headquarters homo wana ebaso nyame eyadom next week ya iwura homo wom enti wabo anwana ope baabi adidi a eno ne darling search 126 pub ewotation ko na benye duane papa edi or restaurant na very nice ebusu yanko yem ma me fan check ase ba ma sister ama ye ma ase am safre ne sister ama o Kumasi ejuso na wote aso ba kope ma sister ama won will be your friend as sister ama da na se me ma ase ye age ana anyway ebusu yanko ye ne me yan sebre enkomo wo ya Haruna Idrisu ababedi enkomo na unim se na nsen no ode babetu dwa se ode betu dwa se yensua Hausa kasa Arabic and Chinese kasa from the nursery ekopem hwan yensua yema yenkola no yemfa Chinese kasa entity na ensam beto social media no amanfo adi ho nkomo a na enen yeda sori Haruna ababe kasa se na kenye bad intention se yebesua Arabic na bibia o munamum yebekọ kotie nanum nsem okan ne yaba be pensem mu Nigeria ni abayiwa bi maami bi onya abayiwa mpu maami bi na kire se wono n'adwuma wo ye ne se wo kye nkoda maiwa oyemi o kyeche maiwa no de makọhye be ne fie na etuosi mo so monye lesbian one prince obey lesbian na and ye obewiewio o prince obey ya o sika wo de bema wo ya o take hu picture no asade asene na ese hu site de odidi Nigeria ni bawo ana so ye bekọ akọhwe na ya bedi nkom abuja ena weni ensam a bepese ye trase yesi hu nkonwa na yedi nkom ha eye Malope TV mi nche bebrenti ma mi ntwa me ho sema pe emra na fe ye monwram Abusia ye twa ye ho abade a afi mayembo wransem no ye ka mama father president of Ghana John Dramani mama his excellency the president of Ghana one on amen father enhye ase men father ndikan na say Ghana mpanifo nyina one thing ade ba ko eye me Malope menti ase no say me bisa Ghana mpanifo nyina me bisa ebinom all Ghanaian leaders, politician leaders, because the Ghanaian leaders, our pastors are leaders, I am for our leaders. But way I am talking to the leaders of the political party leaders. Say ADNT, and say mo babe ye bibia, munje timamufo adwenchere, na yato abama mwa, mwani amupena moye. That is the first question I wanted to ask the leaders of this country. Say ya to abama wo no mobile power. Sometimes one be say e dey na hiam and can lead the beer there. Who be say timamufo na to aban because the civilians or the youth are more than you the leaders because say me ko gina say me pe MP and as a president edi na mabusuafo nyina akora to mamia I am telling you, I will lose. As I say, the people of Ghana is more than my family or my friends. Because this time in Danfo, I don't have a friend. And I don't want anybody to take me as his friend. Me mpa Danfo bi. And the question is, ADNT and leaders of this country, muntie temamufo esu. Mo beye bibia, muntie. Munya ni atemamufo ne pe. Na mo ankasa mo de mo pe. Eye de mo pe. Ma menka se min kire Ghana fo mpanifo se mo beto Ghana. Enye Ghana ane beto mo. Mo beto Ghana. Na monhwe yie. Mumu bi ye Kristofo na mumu bi nso ye nkremofo. Na both NDC and MPP. If you guys didn't listen to the youth, na mo anya de atemamufo ne pa. Onyame abufuhye kese eba mo so. Onyankopon de yade eba mo leaders no. So I am telling you, because there is nothing the youth can do, you guys. Yeah, the moko court to enye, because the court belongs to you people. I'm not afraid to say. The court belongs to the leaders of this country. Yes, of course. The court belongs to the youth of this country. Sorry, the leaders of this country. Why am I saying this? Say me malope. Ena sabeta frache mpapa krade we wunti dem fa papa nyem faton. Eya me papa osofo sechi. A ofi agona so aduro abodom. Ehye fridge mu wewu. Ena minua baako kwaku anase minua ba. Yes, minua ba eye abana machiri ba. Ameni ni free one father. Abana. Eka che me se bra ato me ma yensie funu ne me yensie funu ne kina. Ena me de call court. Anase me sister no de call court. No anya me sister abana e de call court. Ena court the injunction ato so se ye ne ya nyansa. Manso aba beda so. Agi ye wi asem na ka. Na me de me pe etwifa court so ekokoye yie na me gidi se eye na sena na nke yeso ma asojafo eye na sena na nke yeso ma aposifo so mu melutu bebi amanim guase mbra anka sabra me kasei anka me dem, but me nya politician, me ordinary Ghanaian, me ordinary youth. I am telling the leaders of this country, se mono mususu se mo yade na se ehu ni asem ana se enye bone na asotwe bi eni ho mamwa. I am telling you people today, the leaders, all the leaders of this country, I mean the politicians, God is watching you. And I am telling you, Amochitu is waiting for you people. Hell is waiting for you people. Tormenting is waiting for you people. Even the devil himself is waiting for you people. If you say, Miami Nuaba, Sister Joasafu Yeminia, if you say, me papa a Christo Asafu Sofu, ya wumo Christo Asafu, and I'm a timber, Minini, I don't know I'm a timber. I will never talk against my sister. I even really love what he did, what she did. A no, it's kind of me yanti uncle yeni bintia. I am happy, sir, Joasafu Yeni Papa. I'm very, very so happy. But me, my sister, dear, your years to say. I just afford to me overcome. Often the law should be able to say, Senensan Kakrata or said, you see, these leaders, politicians, leaders, if I am not afraid to say, Mami, if I were the way in Shaho, and yes, I am Baba Bechemi, most of them are criminal. Most of them, a binomu is so criminal. Woman, I say, Yanina Kogu with them. Na ye pep on your journey. Politicians, no, any come befa so mu be film, on be journey film. But what about the youth? And their individual youth ya mo che no mo ye de chance na so mo nche mo ho, emre ndi mo ho. And what I'm telling you people today is that mo beto wiase am beto mo. And I am telling the leaders of this country, say onyankopon ehwe dia mo ye. Now sometimes it seems like I should cry. I said, me kasa about Ghana. Aya na ye me se me nsu. Mo ye nipa bonefuo wudifuo. Mo tiri mo odin Ghana penifo. Mo mu bi. Any Ghana fo. Mo mu bi. munye nipa ɛyɛ mo sɛ ntɔkwa bi ansi hada Ghana de empe basa de amoye no echem basa youth and the leaders Ghana for ye mu bi ye no echem basa yenhwe ne ye se ye chi obi call police station they were posifo be jojo no wo bi pe bail kura no aye bail na ya mani pani bail kura na yese se ode no police ni page ni sika asane we release no na monhwe ne ye mode aban esisi nkrofo na Bible say enne so amunteme nsoa no eno na machekere ede amamu amunua mo nyonko se wo mode wo mo nsoa ade so awunteme nsoa no de ma wonua se wo nsoa masokotori bare wonyankopon ehwew onyame hwew na wonipa biara wote Ghana ne ye de position bia ma no na wonfa wonyankopon no kora nya adwuma ema onya dimpate so Sajefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah no me domesa nipa no one ne fie se wo manti na wo wia Ghana sika wo manti na wo de Ghana fo ade hye se wo wabusua ho beto no ho no beto na wo ho ato de susukuru a wo susuma wo de wabusua no susukuru a wo susuma timamufo no emra wo de wo maso me domi Ghana pani biara wo mfa no kora nya adwuma wo ye posi ni o wo ye soja ni o wo ye aban wo ye hwan yo I curse you by disease stroke HIV no me nkane a wonwene o man ho adwene pa eno me sesam no me tu twada no me wodasane ntime nnane ngu Ghana pani biara ayede o man bribia sha wonsa safa boy youth na wo bottom wa hoto wani gienti wo de bone hye papa na mu na wo de papa hye bone na mu no ene o kire bi ubebubu egu ho me somani fra yade a ubeko pension ebi nko pension won ebeko pension so di wo musika betonro won take that da die ntia wo wia wo man sika wo mo bo wo man na poro emba mu da be da ho na medwene die mo ekoso wo Ghana I swear Seme Kwame enye nkoda ama wuwom pa anka I swear I will leave this country. Ghana has become a useless country. Ghana has become a useless country. Omanya mrawo enye djuma. Onyankopon bo ne soro ne asase no. Bo nipa wom no say no. Emra nka nipa ho nipa be ye no amabone. To onyankopon po se mra de ma wo nipa. No be gira mra no so na bu nipa ten. Na se ye so ye nipa ye nyame boy say bi suni ne ban. Na yesu ya hye mra ne chibi na enchibi. Ebi yekasia chemra no God will punish you those people. Nyame bi tria moka aketua bone na mo some of the Ghanaian leaders so we your hinio so we your sofo so we hwan you what in Ghana na ukura DBI especially when mo wa ban mo mukura DBI bi wo ukura DBI na wo mfa no kura nya dwuma ma wo man no because adwuma biara wo kura no wo Ghana wo ye penny wo Ghana so we minister so we MP so we hwan adwuma bi a wukura na enye wo interesting tia eye wo man no na ye den na wo nko akwabena ni timi sesa wo man ni sika na oni na busia ni yire ni girlfriend no ma ko enjoy wo mo ba bonche na wo ma betwa ntro a kire nipa mma na asiafo no ka say Peter ka say sorry is it Paul or Peter say enye yan Ananias enye ye na wudi ntro akira yen yo wudi ntro akira honhon konkron I think Paul wudi ntro akira Jesus mo leaders no say ya mo say mo be din ntro akira you to na mo din ntro akira onyankopon na ntro katua so otwen mo eye me ya Ghana say hwede ahoho mini kurowe ahoho be taking Ghana advantage. The people, the leaders of the country have been mute. No ama bone na ekoso wo Ghana hwe robbery na ekoso obechi wo na ye Fulani. We've been talking about Fulani, we've been talking about Nigerians. The leaders are not saying anything. They are here emo manu ana ye wo ane de abetu gbaja ene ekomo de Ghana youth adwuma ni o man ni ma wo bi say ye nkonkoso Arabic kasa any Chinese. Are we Chinese people? And we should question ourselves. Obeka asano, obabeka asano. O ma raising dia yenko Chinese kasa. Enso ato etie wie. afe na wodi ade ekoso nsuo nsuo ato atie ye di Chinese kasa kwen afe ne ye di Chinese anase ye be ko Chinese akoko oh chale are na idrusu edi nkomo bi enkomo ya meguso kai about Arabic and Chinese kasa no waba be clear abetu na nemu to so oh na nkanya ne bonus so said ye nenam social media ayatwe apia anase anopedua obi asoro audition na no di twine se no enye said ya Ghana fo adwene no sa no wo pa kire na say na Haruna ekire mu me hwemra
that there is no intention by government to make Arabic and Chinese compulsory at any level of our education. That is not the thought, and that is not the thinking of government. English remains our main medium of instruction, but from kindergarten to primary 3, we are encouraging and forcefully supporting the use of local Ghanaian language so that our children will not be lost out of their own values and culture. So from kindergarten to primary 3 would be the use of local Ghanaian language. From primary 4 to primary 6 upwards, we intend to make English language still basic medium of instruction, but we will introduce 3 foreign languages, optional for any learner to choose a language foreign of the choice of the learner. Whatever it is, this revised curriculum is now before the Ghana Education Service. I will accept their recommendations and I will implement their recommendations. But to expose them to those foreign languages, be it French, Spanish, Chinese, Arabic, Italian, or German, will remain optional, but will be for purposes of upper primary in order that we are producing learners for the world.
Yo, Shafe. Ono awojina wona wo kasa no ano me bra o se me wo fa o se me papa Haruna ojina wono a wo kasa na the man is totally confused. The man ewiase ade biara sa wodi nkontompo ye de nguase brew. Politicians, let me tell the NDC and MPP, the reason why mo manifesto anasa mutimi nye sabe muntimi nya de pa ma wo man no ene se mudi nkontompo hyase a mudi enimguase na ewie obiara wode nkontompo hye bibia se no ode enimguase na ewie eni nti etese de abema wo kose wo ba pe na wonni di unni hwe na wa ma oba na hu no kora hye media me yes mi nibio tese de me ma obi hu se mi nibi dia medi mpoya meden dia meshe mpoya meden ti sa opemi afa me saa se wo ma wo ba ni hu na oba ni jitu nwa ka no kra kire na eni ngua se be na wo we yachi but wo ko se wo ba pe no ho sister akra se ko me na me control ho nyina otumfo ya me wo fa metumi ahye mra so obi anda kurom ha wake kansam akesia ma wonsam na to oba ni tim no waje wadi no se bra na film ebiem matiase me no be nante afein sama kasia kasa beto no ma wo kan ye no untumi yo efise wunni sa de na nye no na oba na wo peninti na wo twa santro no e de na ebehie so oba ne be hu se wonsam a wo kan nyina no wo boa se wonyo wo bia brother ahwa baby a wona wona mfofo ahia party bi ase a waferefo wo ho no e ho na ahwa oba de begu ani ma ase etro akatua eyenim guase enti MPP ndi se mo ban tro na mo di kire temamufuo ni nti da bia na mo ani mu guase ti nsem ya papa yi beka yaro na beka fere wasa beka sase o enye bad intention but Ghana 4% Haruna wafa menfo wafa Ghana 4% wo mu hunu se o mo ti ase denti out desa policy na yenko shi Arabic kasa na yesu ya Chinese kasa na yemfanya den You see? Wow. I mean, if I'm not afraid to say, Mekasa Ghana and Penny Mbu Ghana, they don't respect this country. If I am not afraid, most of them, let me use the word, most of them don't respect this country. Ghana from Penny do almost 99%. Woman Mbu Ghana. Why am I saying that? So woman Mbu Ghana, the reason I said Ghana and Penny Mbu Ghana, woman for Ghana and Foku, Ghana from Penny binum, the politicians binum, they don't respect this country. Said the Akwesi Bruni Bunim mine. No funny man dia ground Ghana penifo mbu o man wo mo fo man ye foku ti so man be collapse center kwa bi be sim senim gwa they don't care, they don't what say if you so obi mbu a on care anything about you if you say so obi mbu a on care anything about you so obi bu a obeke especially a wife respect a husband e dey na yedi hunu say oyere ebu okunu oyere ye osutie e ma ne kunu or respect ne kunu miwura that means a wife respect a husband. And my peace eba. Anyane kuno basa basa. Empanifo ni mu o man. Enti o man ni sika na ebinim de o nsa hwim bra. Na okwabra ni timi tam Ghana sika na o de akosha buroche. Wa kukuru wo wani fifra wasam ubidi a wahye jaburu a wahye eja watwitwa ton trotro a waye adwumaden bra wa bra ba watwa adwumaden eso taxes ehu sika okwabra ne ba ko petimi asesa kotra America kuru ko ebra ba ye finance minister eno ma bi anko yen yesusu se no ma bi anko yie enti bra be yi wa no me ma china edi entia yase obi de wan tamakro said nam tamakro what ya brochire me ya sentence na wa brochire yemfa ne mfo ne nto so said nam tamakro. Yes, this woman what ya brochire ema ya sentence na say wo so bagana ba betwa ne sentence ya kwaya appeal sika bebra ya say wedi no ya say court waja no ena wo ko prisons di otwa body ba ko dem di odi obi ka edem brother sanka wunya ye prisoners nyina ba so obi anka na kosema sometimes o ten some bia you cry now both say Ghana penny for they most of them almost 99% they are demons or not even call them wicked, they are demons. Government has become a abaya babe demon, evil, and someone can to ye kana himfie no. And obi ne ne irasem kura opposite it me di oni pato kanta ai cells one ne irasem adan abrante bi yese ne yere report no se onhwe nkola no onye ska de ye masem na again ne report ma police phone za police phone na be ka se a police ni timi ko abrante ni fie de handcuff kogu ne nsa e de ne ba beto cells adan ya onhwe ne ma ne yere say onhwe ne ma say ye nokore say nya nokore we ye de ni patum. Is it a criminal case? Nipa bonefo amugu Ghana. Omano say ya sadwen we will be beneath Ghana ni trema. Ghana will never prosper today. Naka demonstration cry yeko demonstration kwa brandi timi efa phone from say mamu ko demonstration against Nigeria. And so the social media eka say Nigeria must go. It do say fine oh say Nigeria must go. Then we should go and do protest. Or kwa brandi timi fa phone frɛ obi say cheka jawo ma obi anko demonstration no. No one sabe social media can say Nigeria must go. People born for Ghana. For me who Ghana ni abisuro no. They are slow poison. I dream pony when you pet them. I was here, may you free on yanko or baby Nigeria ni baby ya. One know why you kidnapper. Why you kidnapper was so. Ni kidnapping on only the end yasa kidnapping sa kojiska first cabra. On only the end or yes or chichim my one. Wa si wa bia kese o de nkoda ne wuram na o de wo ye lesbian etua wo maka ya hwe woman bra nice Nigerian lady woman ya hwe bra.
Madam, what's your name? Eh?
Glory.
Speak louder.
Glory.
Where are you from?
Akwa Ibom.
Glory who?
Glory for
Eh?
Glory for
Glory for first time. Where are you staying? It's in Yabasi.
What number?
22.
Where is 18 Yanabasi?
I don't know.
Manzayo. What about these two persons? How do you know them?
I met them for yesterday.
Eh?
I met them for yesterday.
At where?
Eko Basa.
What happened with them?
I take them to my place yesterday.
You take them to your place yesterday. What time?
Evening time.
No, you should know the time now.
I know the time.
You did not look time. Night cover.
No.
That was maybe around 4 or 5.
Yes. Yes.
What happened? What happened?
As I see them for road that yesterday, 40 minutes out of you know what I say, what's in the song. Once you know what I like you, come, let's go to my place. So they follow me with the next day. So as the time you now this one ask me say, why I draw this pattern?
Which one asked you? This one with green. Huh?
Yeah. Ask me say, why I draw this pattern? So I don't really lost. Come now. Come tell myself.
Madam, what's your name? Eh?
Glory.
Speak louder.
Glory.
Where are you from?
Akwa
Akwa. Glory who?
Glory is
Eh?
Glory is
Glory for first time. Where are you staying?
It's in Yanabasi.
It's in Yanabasi.
What number?
22.
Where is 18 Yanabasi?
I don't know.
Manzayo. What about these two persons? How do you know them?
I met them for yesterday.
Eh?
I met them for yesterday.
At where?
Eko Basa.
What happened with them?
I take them to my place yesterday.
You take them to your place yesterday. What time?
Evening time.
No, you should know the time now.
I know the time.
You did not look time. Night cover.
No.
That was maybe around 4 or 5.
Yes. Yes.
What happened? What happened?
As I see them for road that yesterday, 40 minutes out of you know what I say, what's in the song. Once you know what I like you, come, let's go to my place. So they follow me with the next day. So as the time you now this one ask me say, why I draw this pattern?
Which one asked you? This one with green. Huh?
Yeah. Ask me say, why I draw this pattern? I don't really lost. Come now. Come tell myself.
Abusua maami a yɛhwɛ ne ɛyɛ wɔ bad time a wɔno ɔyɛ Nigeria ni. This is a Nigeria woman. Ni business ɔyɛ ne sɛ ɔkidnap girls a adwuma ɔde girls ne yɛ sɛ monya lesbian na ɔde camera si mo so no wɔ video na ɔde ato page na ɔde gye ho sika ɔntua wɔ kan so ɛne yakɔkye no Nigeria ni maami wei adwuma a wɔyɛ ano no wɔno korampo ewiase we pa menhome na maso badweme e woda me papa befrɛ me mesoro agya befrɛ me sɛ Kwame ato Elijah Malope come and rest that day na maso badweme ayana eye me awo ye de ba medwene me ma no ho too much sɛ enti wiase we na me ma na betom ewiase we ana me ma no abetom hey ewiase ase yo asofo ebeka nyame asem a kire nipa mama nipa suro boneye no wo mu kura di bone che nipa no asofo kura di bone che nipa bia especially Ghana asofo wo mu ye secret Ghana asofo bi no okay I'm sorry Ghana asofo no dodo no almost 98% criminal especially wo mu TV so no most of them are criminal. Most of them are criminal. Totally criminal. And they call themselves as of. To bonnet the Abacoswa. So I was here, Mammy, Uhuni. About you. To one year watch a Mayo, no son, no Doma Koshe Dembim. Body guys, you know, we had them fear kakra, fear no sopa. Get it down on the wire gossene, security about bino. It you want no mammy or penny out any year surgeon. The ye dear chile, the Besibia no Malope, Erebra. Mrantie bi nso a wo mo de wo ya kidnapper wo makochi abusuya bi na aposifo akọ rescue wo ye hwemra
These are the kidnappers. We apprehended them. Why these are the victims? The one we take off.
When we say kidnappers, when we said kidnapper, no country kidnap like Nigeria. And to what Ghana had here, now we take kidnapping there in Nigeria. Ghana don't do kidnapping. It be Nigeria. Nigeria, it be kidnapping where they do to survive life. It's true. Let me speak this one in English. Nigerians, they do kidnapping to survive. The most powerful job where in Nigeria, when you get to Nigeria, please, the good job where in Nigeria for everybody. If you in Nigeria and you are not kidnapper, you cannot survive. It be kidnapping where they do to survive in life. So even you go see small boy where they do kidnapping. Small girl, the small girls they do ashawo. The men too they do the kidnapping. The Fulani people and go to the you see Nigeria there or your bar or your ashawo or your bema or your kidnapper. If Nigeria, if the person be a man, he be kidnapper. If the person be woman or female, he be ashawo oloso. It's true, and this hey that Nigeria for bechi no. Hey, tina mukotu eskama blog ebiso on fedrongu aduane mu mere mu police no me koso aka masem me say Nigeria ni so yoba oyashawo oyebema oye kidnapper nipa ya odi news mame no me woni pebu Nigeria because on news I heard they say because I say Malupe I am trying to send you a good thing about Nigeria but I don't get it. I try everything will go happen in Nigeria be crime thing same. Nigeria di Paulo Kasemi I say papa me pesa me yen me ntumi boni am mpena because you need to boni m. Enye Paulo pese Paul dey kan sem. Paulo Kasemi I say papa me pesa me yen me ntumi ye. Ba boni am mpena no na me ye. Asia ne say ye woni boni m ayo boni fo ne ba enti boni nko a ntumi nye papa. Because oni po ye tuntum de ye breaching a untimi nya kokko he wo pa fa wiase nkonyina sa na ja obesa ye tuntum your color will appear. The fact is if somebody is a black man like me, no matter the pomade, no matter what, no matter the pomade where you use for your skin, fine, you become fair. But later on when you stop using the pomade, what is going to happen next? You come back to your normal color. So like Nigerian person, no matter if the person is a Nigeria, is a Nigeria. The crime, he cannot stop making a crime. It's true. It's true. But everybody knows that they are making a crime. Nigeria, brother, majority carry the vote. So majority of Nigerians, they are criminal. They are also they are kidnappers. They are sinners. They are cursed people. The majority. Because if you take 100 of Nigerians, only 3% of them you go see say they are good people. Bam. And no krano. And keka kakra wo. And Nigeria, dan ko bia fini kro mo see your friend Chuku di Jude. Papa, mo funny picture to. This man came from Nigeria. Where they Ghana, he say, I have acquired 250 acres of land. 250 whatever. At Ningo Pram, I wanted to build my kingdom, and the kingdom will be like this, and then now what Ghana and still what did he? And why up Akaka Bensam Nigeria ni brother, hey, me see Nigeria ni dumne now ni mcrophone frame you say, Malupe Nigeria. I said Ghana, I have a friend who is a Uber driver, Officer Lerion. I have a friend who from Celery. He's a Uber driver. My body be that. I like the guy very so much. We get a lot of national people, foreign people here. But every day you go see, what is a Ghana ni kasa? Ghana ni yededea. Isn't if not Fulani? So what a crime case as a foreigner. If you hear crime, say somebody has committed a crime in Ghana. If not Fulani, it be Nigeria. Even Fulani, they are from Nigeria. Most of them are from Nigeria, Chad, and all. But every day, Fulani. Every day, Nigeria. Robbing, Nigeria. Kidnapping, Nigeria. Olosho, Nigeria, Yahoo, Nigeria, Sakawa, Nigeria, Okotek, Nigeria, Witches and Wizard, Nigeria, Nigeria, Fulani, Abba, Munyenipa. Who now South African problem issue of South Africa ma and we are seeing Upper South Africa no Nigeria. Let me remind South Africa. I have been in South Africa. I really love South Africans. Let me speak the truth. Minka said they are SCNT. I'll say something wrong about South Africa. What they did to kill their own fellow African was bad. I understand that one is very bad. But South Africans, if you don't know, I am telling you, Nigerians are the people of curse. They are cursed people. And listen very carefully. If a curse is following somebody and the person comes to you, brother, your life will never be successful. Nigeria for South Africa. And South Africa. Because South African problem will be baby say na ye ding and a preoccupy South Africa say do lorry station will be anyhow on market nobody is there. Nigeria ni iboni koka say o mu si o kingdom na South Africa for dry. So in the beginning they were sacking South African. South African were sacking Nigerians. And the Koba say Koba say Nigeria from Kuana. If we umbeka so other na mota I say your time and you all African countries, you know, emfra. Ubi yankoni gurum. It is uncle for Nigeria for now. Woman ye no me ma. Me say John Dramani Mahama should be one pamuchuku in Nigeria for free her. A time will come at their NCC or Ghana base because these people are the people of curse. Woman young crophobia mobile one maya, unyang who taught that Nigerians, when they comes to your country, you will never get peace. I am saying it and saying it again. If Nigerians comes to your country, you will never get peace. Chukudi, they protest up to now, Ghanaians are not happy. They want deportation of Chukudi Jude. They want deportation of Nigerians. Everybody, every country is talking about Nigerians. Every country is talking about Nigerians. And why our leader, Charlie, my main fancy wa Yankopon Yadomo. Your WhatsApp group no Aya Biama Ghana. Aya the bumper and Crawford a bumper and Timpacho Pesa Obejani. To me, about my main fancy, I can see a mamma of Fakofi. Now I'm a cheer. Mama Dora, Prophet Dora could to me. Sanson and Michia, Mama Fear, one also so UK, my fear at the same. Hey, my fear. That lady and I come, Anna, my fear lady. Anna Reverend, so ye, Reverend, so Reverend, Reverend Ajua, Mama Ajua, Monoso, no, yeah, and Michiano, Anna, Madame Vero, UK, US. Hey, my Vero, ye, my very dramatic pick your call. Yamia. Fetch me now. My dream bomb, make a pa. Cause me the can't get him beer. Mamma, me to the boom, pa, Tiama. And then I was at this time in a video in 10 no made the car, one and Tramica. Master may buy ye. Crawford bomb, Bessia, fast sort out, fire sea. And Yasam get to a Prince of Coradia, Tia, or Tete, medium, then a car 1,000. What Tete me about, hey, Malupo de car 1,000. Yes, than you. Eddie, Michacha will be Piara. One make me, or more group on him, new group no, new group in Yamisha, old group near Asumbi, Ghana Asumbi, so Michel will be a woman be a branch here now or sending me audio. Some will pay a bonnet Fatchayan. On the credit one car, you are so on the wire bonnet yammy. When for me, money, but woman, I was sending me audio. Say, on also say a blogger. I say, Malope, once I'm the tea and a man team we tea, no so make can be different. But me why? Minia, we nipa, media chow. I dear Bakwa, and I am a dead I am first, Onipa whom from so. We will be born, many arrogant, many humaso. So who was a nipa wafuna? Catherine says sorry. Through a common new word more panicho, or the chow when you are one fine chow could answer. Why you yanko ponso ade enti mate minia after show me for what me donipa malope mi pedi papa obi oni malope physical bi enim how I am me donipa me do nipa me nwere bone ma nipa me dwene papa e ma nipa ente sa anka bra ye chi me me did 2 months 3 weeks in the police custody. Yeah, the people we ba na see the na reject. Yeah, the we ba na see the na reject. But Onyankopon nim ne na wo yo. Eteki wo bi a wonye mebusu. Won ka ho kora bi. Ekofa ni fie nkrata. E di begina mu wo kose. Mu mama lo penko ni fie. Enti na mebusuafo sisi fie, nobody came with the paper. Obi o won chan ya on come o minim no kora. Ni kunu mu no ye madam fo keke. Ti me di ne nkrata. Brother, the American say yenwene papa Onyankopon wo odi wachi a oye miracle oye nyame yensenchene ne Nyankopon. I'm telling you, Sewrade dowa no do Onyame do nimba na oyi wo mfiri oham. Onyame do nimba na oyi wo mfiri oham. Bira wa paba eni da so nyina rasa Yehovah betre enkwaji to me biwo ma me mfanchi akese ma me second CID I'm refinity on my infantini yee refinity into the basic na minja me lawyerless thank you yamisha papa usha yabesi ewa ha na me adoma besa ate enka bio makra baba
Marape TV, in God we trust.